वारणा विश्व आर्थिक विकासातून सामाजिक परिवर्तन, सर्वसमावेशक सर्वांगीण विकासाचा वारणा पॅटर्न टेटसाठी सबस्क्राइब करा, बेल आयकॉन दाबा.
The respected dignitaries present for this very important event of the 43rd IST National Convention, that is GIII, which is the Government Industry Institute Interaction. So as a part of this 43rd IST Convention, it is the very essential event which is going to bridge a gap between three important sectors, that is government, industry and institute. If three sectors are very strong, we can move towards the powerful nation. So based upon this, we have arranged this interaction meeting of the industrialists, government officials and very important the academicians. So I cordially invite the coordinator of this function, Professor V.R. Gambhire sir, to give the brief introduction about the aim and objective of this particular program, as well to welcome all the respected dignitaries present over here.
I am very happy that all the people present over here, they are respective leaders in their own fields, areas, and they have taken a time for this particular very important meeting under this IST convention. Let me tell you about about our institute. This institute is established in 1983 by a great visionary, Honorable Tatya Kore, to cater the need of technical education for the students, especially in the rural areas. And we are very proud to say that about 7,000 students have passed out from this institute and working in the various reputed organizations across the country, as well as some students are working abroad also. Indian Society of Technical Education, that is IST New Delhi, has honored our institute by bestowing the honor to hold this 43rd National Annual Convention at Varanasi this year. The theme of this convention is to empowering technical education. And for this empowering technical education, the most important element is the industrialists. So the opinions of the industrialists are very, very important while framing the policy of the technical education in the government. So actually here we have got representative from the government, Dr. A.T. Pise, he is a Deputy Director, DTE Mumbai. I am not naming all the people just now. We have got various representatives from the industry and institute for this particular meeting. I have circulated this leaflet indicating what are the topics we are going to discuss. So we shall be discussing all these topics. Your important opinions, views, suggestions are very, very important for us for summarizing the outcome of this particular meeting.
I kindly request Mr. N.H. Patil sir, President Shri Tatya Kore Varna Cooperative Navashakti Nirman Sanstha Limited, Varnanagar, to felicitate Dr. A.T. Pise sir, Deputy Director, DTE Mumbai. N.H. Patil sir, to felicitate Shri Ram Pawar sir, Chief Editor, Sakal Newspapers, Kolhapur. Thank you sir. I request Patil sir to felicitate Honorable Shri Ram Pratap Jawar sir, Chairman, Jawar Group of Industries. Sarang Patil sir, Chairman and Managing Director, Sunbeam Institute of Information Technology, Pune, and really is doing a very good work in the academics in terms of the syllabus and all these things. Our Honorable beloved Vice Principal, Dr. S.S. Doshi sir, to felicitate Shri S.B. Chavan sir, Director, Alan Smith Chemicals, Karat. She is also recruiting our students. So thank you, madam. Mr. N.H. Patil sir, please accept the felicitation.
Everybody for this very good session. Initially it is good, in between it will be better, and at the last it will be the best. He has used the word to trigger the session. For all our leaders, they are self-triggerers, so there is no need to trigger from my side the session. Actually the topic is Government Industry Institute Interaction. Why the name has been come and why the necessity is there to discuss on this topic. It is because many are more satisfied, many are more satisfied, plus side. And in the packet, inside the thing, many just instead of plus, they say there is a minus. More satisfied, plus, and there is a minus, more not satisfied, like that. In order to overcome this gap between not satisfied and satisfied, it is better to discuss the issue. Now what is happening, generation gap is there. We blame our children, they are not taking education properly. And our grandfathers were blaming us that we are not taking interest in education. This is the scene. But common thing was there. What was that common thing? What we were doing, that was doing from inside and from outside. Now many workshops have been conducted, many training programs are there, many seminars are there where etiquettes, manners are taught. But I realize it has been taught from outside. While entering in the class, entering the seminar, people used to take the permission. May I come in, sir? May I come in, director? Like that. They show. But I have realized from inside it is lacking. The degree which was there initially, it is lacking. This is one thing. Another thing is that right from the education, primary level to professional education, from primary level, mother poet was there. And from that poet, people were understanding, students were understanding how to behave with the mother. Nowadays, mother poet is scheduled for 1 mark in the examination. From that angle it has been seen. The necessity was there that time to see from the angle of marks. But people were seeing from the angle of what is mother and what is the relation between mother and the student. Nowadays, it has been moreover looked from the angle of the marks. This is the situation. So attitude needs to be changed. Prasar Bharati, Bal Bharati, then National Board, CBSE, the syllabus is there. The syllabus which is there has been designed only for culturing the students. respective students. Now there is no need to set some another syllabus, another workshop. The basic syllabus which is there has been designed for culturing the better students, but taking into account the happenings and results of the syllabus and the process of teaching, actual change in the personality is not observed. This is the situation. Why is it so? My experience is, while learning, students should learn from the angle that they should apply till the education, professional education, technical education. While learning, they just learn for the scoring the marks, but they should learn from the point of application of the knowledge. Another thing, many times I use the formulas. Knowledge into skill is equal to ability. Situation into attitude is equal to motivation. Ability into motivation is human performance. Human performance into available resources is equal to organizational performance. Knowledge, skill, situation, attitude and available resources. Better schools will be there. All infrastructure facilities should be there. Then and then only better student can perform and will be resulted into the better results. But we have a culture to conduct the education below the trees and the better results are there. Honorable Barrister P.G. Patil, like people have proved it. Infrastructure is necessary, but attitude is very important. I think it is an intersection session, so I should not speak more. So again I repeat, all are triggerers and all are just rational. They should allow to trigger others also. May I request it? Thank you. Please continue.